The following short film is brought to you by Combat Fire and may be downloaded free of charge from www.combatfire.co.za. Using a fire extinguisher is like driving a car. The more you know about the rules of the road, the better driver you will be. Fire is a rapid oxidization of material or fuel, giving rise to heat, sound and light, which commonly results in the carbon compound residue. This is better explained by the fire triangle. Picture a triangle, 3 sides. Each side represents one element, heat, oxygen or fuel. All that is needed to make a fire is an ignition source. Remove any single one of these elements and the fire will be extinguished. Modern day thinking now accepts there is a fourth element required to sustain combustion. It's a chemical reaction and must be present with all other elements at the same time in order to produce fire. The 4 elements are enough oxygen to sustain combustion, enough heat to raise the material to its ignition temperature or flash point, some sort of fuel or combustible material, and the exothermic reaction that causes fire. The same principle would apply. To extinguish the fire, all that is needed is to remove one of these elements. Modern day extinguishers such as chemical powders and liquids stop the chemical reaction, deplete the oxygen and even smother in certain circumstances. Remember, if it can be heated sufficiently to create vapors, it will burn. Some fuels ignite easier than others, such as a match compared to a piece of metal. The wood on a match has to be heated sufficiently to produce a vapor before it will reach its flash point. However, butane is already a gas at room temperature and will only need a spark to set the exothermic reaction in motion. Most fuels have been assigned a symbol and letter from the alphabet in order to easily refer to them. A. Solid combustible material. B. Liquid fuels. C. Energized electrical equipment. K. Cooking oils and fats. Legally, all approved fire extinguishers must display these symbols on their instruction labels. When using a fire extinguisher, remember the pass system. P. Pull the safety pin. A. Aim at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the handle. S. Sweep while approaching the fire once control is achieved. Never fight a fire from inside a room where smoke can disorientate you. Smoke will reduce visibility and is very toxic. Remember always to know where your escape routes are. And if in doubt, always get up.